Hello everyone, welcome back to CARHOW. Today we are taking a close look at the all-new Daihatsu Sigra 2026, a compact MPV that continues to be one of the most practical and budget-friendly family cars in its segment. If you were looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and spacious vehicle for daily use, the Daihatsu Sigra 2026 is definitely worth your attention. The Daihatsu Sigra 2026 comes with a refreshed exterior design that looks more modern and appealing than before. The front fascia features a redesigned grille, sleeker headlights, and a more confident stance overall. Even though it is a compact MPV, the Sigra feels well-proportioned and stylish, making it suitable for both city driving and long family trips. The light and vibrant color options further enhance its youthful character. Inside the cabin, the Daihatsu Sigra 2026 focuses on comfort and practicality. The interior layout is simple but well organized, with easy-to-reach controls and improved material quality compared to earlier models. The dashboard now features a modern infotainment screen that supports basic connectivity features, making daily driving more convenient. The seating layout offers good legroom and headroom for passengers, especially considering its compact size, and it can comfortably accommodate small families. When it comes to performance, the Daihatsu Sigra 2026 is designed for efficiency rather than speed. It is expected to come with a small displacement petrol engine that delivers smooth performance for city use while keeping fuel consumption low. The engine is paired with either a manual or automatic transmission, giving buyers flexibility based on their driving preferences. The light steering and compact dimensions make the Sigra very easy to handle in traffic and tight parking spaces. Safety has also been improved in the Daihatsu Sigra 2026. Depending on the variant, it may include features such as dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a reinforced body structure. While it may not offer advanced driver assistance systems, it covers the essential safety needs for everyday driving. Now let's talk about the most important part, the price. The Daihatsu Sigra 2026 is expected to remain very affordable, staying true to its reputation as a value-for-money vehicle. The estimated starting price is around $14,000 to $18,000 depending on the variant and features. In local markets, prices may vary due to taxes and import duties, but overall, the Sigra is expected to be one of the most budget-friendly MPVs in its class. In conclusion, the Daihatsu Sigra 2026 is a smart choice for buyers who want a practical, economical, and reliable family car without spending too much money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to CARHOW for more car reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.